Good morning, YTPC. Rustic Piper here. Not much for lighting. It's super early. The video probably won't post till later, but today I am going to try this Former's Bird's Eye that I got from 907 Piper. Smelt like a Virginia, kind of that sweetness to it. The hay, grassy notes. So detected something else, but can't quite make out what it is. So I am going to smoke it in my Savinelli 673 Oceano. And let's see what this bad boy's got to offer us. Ooh, it's a vapor. That's a nice vapor. You actually get that nice grassy, that sweetness and peppery notes from it. That's a good. I wonder if this is one of those hard to get blends. It's really nice. Pairing it this morning with some coffee. Of course, gotta have coffee. It's too damn early not to have coffee. Oh, I'm going to pause this, and once I get down mid bowl, I will be right back and let you know what I think. All right, I'm back. I've never done this before. I just noticed there was a pause button, so cool. All right, I'm back. Still smoking the Former's Bird's Eye. It's still midway through the bowl. It's still sweet. It's still peppery, light peppery. It's not enough to scorch your tongue. It's really nice blend. I'm gonna have to Google this one or look this one up and see if we can still get it or not. It's probably one of those hard to get blends since it's so good. But this is my first take on it, so I've never had it before. A little strong through the retrohale there. Hmm. I was gonna do a video on it last night, but I wound up getting stuck having a couple beers and what did I smoke last night? I know it was in a cob. I got it right here. Is this? Oh yeah, Boswell Northwoods. Yeah, that's a really good smoke too. But if you tried this blend, tell me what you thought of it. Slam it in the trunk. I'm really curious because this is really good. I think so, anyways. For a vapor, I know it's got to be a vapor. I should do my research on some of these first, but it takes all the fun out of the surprise. It takes all the fun out of it. I think I'm not going to get all technical and scientific on your asses. But it is a good smoke. I think she's cashed out. But on that note, there's my this is what I think of that. It's it's awesome. Good smoke. I still got I got a lot of samples to try out that I've never tried, so you will see my ass again. And well, not literally, but you'll see me again. I'll make some more videos on some of these samples and stuff because I've never had them before, and I need to do that a little bit more, add more content to my channel and stuff like that. So, tell me what you were smoking. Slam it in the trunk. I want everybody to be safe, and as always, be well.